In this tutorial, I want to teach you how to do beveled gold leaf or prismatic gold leaf. You can use it for all different types of dimensional looking borders or something like this, or other things used in sign painting. Let's get to it. Using a burnisher made of velvet and a cotton ball, you can rub the gold in different directions to achieve a light, medium, and dark look to the gold leaf. This creates a groove that traps the light in different values, giving the effect of dimension. Horizontal burnishing makes the brightest look. Diagonal down to the left makes a medium bright. Diagonal down to the right makes medium dark. Downward strokes make the darkest effect. Here I take some gold leaf and I put it onto the size that's dried properly. I don't mind pushing down a little bit, gets it right in there. After I'm done, I'll tap it with my thumb to get the seams kind of pushed down. The cotton ball will give it a little bit of a polish and a uniform feel to it. Then I'm going to take the velvet and just go horizontal, just kind of makes it more uniform also. I'll go down to the I'm not that worried about overlapping areas that I don't want it, because you can go over each section numerous times. This mylar will now protect the side I want to keep and go over the area I want to affect, down and to the right. In the mylar you'll see the triangle I have cut out. That's the shape I want. It could be any shape. I line it up to the top and I'm going to use horizontal strokes to make the bright area. This could be a leaf, it could be a pyramid, it could be a letter S, it doesn't matter. It's just a shape. This is illustrating light, dark, and medium. Here you see I'll flip it around, get it into my dark area, and I'm going to go up and down, and I'm going to create grooves that the light basically falls out of. That's why it's not reflecting anything, it's going into the groove and down. Horizontal, it goes into the groove and shines, and medium, it goes in and kind of hits at an angle. I'll take my panel and check this out. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I mean, that looks dimensional. Very cool. Alright, let's check out the steps to this project right here. First thing I did is I put down the basic shapes of the gold leaf. I then took a paper pattern and drew out where I wanted all the bevels to be, and I hand cut out the highlights and the bright midtones. I then cut out this so that I could make dark tones right up against the other gold leaf parts of that circle. Put this on top and drew on top of it with my burnisher the dark tones and the midtones, and this is what it looked like. I then put this pattern on top and I did the highlights and the midtones with my burnisher in the holes that were created. Some of these sharp corners in the center I did holding a business card against the gold and burnishing in a darker light direction. And this is the end of the project. These leaves are by an ex-employee of mine and good friend, Bob Rochon. I taught him everything I know and he apparently absorbed it quite nicely. As usual, if you have any questions, just write me and I'll answer. I'll do it one more time.
Okay. Should I start it again?
No, it's running, right?
Yeah.
As usual, if you have any questions, just write me and I'll answer them as quick as I can. Thank you.